I'll be using techniques shown in previous videos, including pressed flowers and family photo sun catchers. Those will be linked below. The first card uses pressed flowers. Start off with a piece of cardstock or construction paper and fold it in half. Next, take small pieces of cardstock or construction paper. You'll want to cut these into small shapes. I usually like using squares or rectangles since they're easy to cut and easy to use. Try to choose colors that pair well with the flowers that you have pressed. Remember to always protect the surface you're working on if you're working with glue. Here's the pink silicone pad again. So for this part, I'm just going to use a glue stick, but you can use any glue that you'd like. Arrange your shapes into a pattern or however you'd like them to look, and carefully glue them onto the paper. Press them down well so they don't fall off. Add glue to the areas you want to put the flowers. Pick the flowers that you want and gently place them down on the glue. Be careful not to press on them too hard or they might tear or break. Gently dab a small amount of clear drying glue to the surface of each flower. This helps seal them and prevent them from breaking off of the card. Add Happy Mother's Day to the card, and you're done. Decide where you want to place your photo on the card. You will also need clear drying glue. Apply a generous amount of glue to the surface of the card. Place the photo on the glued surface and smooth it out. Choose colorful or decorative paper and cut 4 pieces to create a frame for the picture. Remember to protect your work surface. Glue the paper around the picture to create a frame. Add Happy Mother's Day to the card, and you're done. Choose a piece of colorful or decorative paper. Measure it so it is the same size as the width of the card. Trim off the extra paper. Cut the paper into thin strips. Be sure to pay attention to which way each piece needs to face. Protect your work surface. This next part uses glue. Take your first piece of paper, glue the back, and carefully place it on the card, closer to the top. When gluing these pieces, make sure you double check which side needs to face which end of the card. It will be difficult to remove each piece once they've been glued. Take the second piece of paper. Make sure that you can line it up with the picture of the first piece. Make a little bit of space and glue it down. Add Happy Mother's Day to the card, and you're done. These cards don't just have to be for your mom. They can also be for someone that's been like a mom to you.